Hello, today we're going to do a registration tutorial on how to register an account with Sunshine Limo. Once you're on our website, you're going to click on Book Now, log in, and register. You'll fill in your first, your last name, following your email, and then your mobile phone number. Your password must be a minimum of 8 characters, combination of numbers and letters with a special character. And then you select if you want auto notifications. Here we're going to enter the company name, the department, and the job title, following the address, including a suite number if there's one, and the contact phone numbers, including a fax. Click Save, and then we're going to come to the home page where you can manage your entire account, including viewing the account information under your profile, edit, and log out. We're going to move on to your store locations where you can actually add in your frequent locations. Your home, it'll auto-populate the closest match, and you can select it and then add it as your location. Here on Account Info, you'll be able to view the information you have previously entered, make any modifications and updates, including the phone numbers if you want to delete or add, and then your email address that you have already been receiving notifications, add if you want confirmation, invoices, and payments, or add any other emails as well. You'll be able to confirm that you're receiving all of these and add. Then on your invoice, you'll be able to view any invoices that you have under payments, any payment methods that you have already added, or you can actually add. Enter the card information, the address, and if it's your preferred card. And then under users is where you can add all your passengers, your billing contacts, and booking contacts. You may add multiple of these. We just need their first name, their last name, their email address, and their mobile contact number. If you'd like them to receive email notifications, make sure to leave it checked and simply add passenger. On the next page, we're actually going to add their contact department, their job title, their address, any suite numbers if they have, phone numbers, including a fax if any, and simply save. We'll confirm that all the information is accurate, delete or update if needed, and simply add additionals if you like. And lastly, under rides is where you can view all your ride history. That's simple. That is all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was helpful, and we look forward to welcoming you to our Sunshine Limo family.